Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather has been a little bit hot recently. Today, let's make an appetizing dish, kelp in vinegar. This dish is very simple. Let's start it.
First, we soak the kelp in water to rehydrate. Then we put the soaked kelp into a pot and cook it until done. When the kelp is cooked, we put it into cold water to cool it down. After that, cut the kelp into strips, and then cut them diagonally into diamond shapes. We put the cut kelp into water and add salt, as this can wash away the mucus on the surface of the kelp. We crush the peeled garlic and then chop it into pieces. Pour the kelp into a pickling container. Actually, it's not necessary to find a special container. Any bowl or plant can work. And then add the chopped garlic. Now, let's start seasoning. This time I added 3 spoons of soy sauce, 4 spoons of vinegar, and a little bit sugar. Actually, you can adjust according to your own taste. The most important thing is that the amount of vinegar must be more than that of soy sauce, because the main flavor of this dish is sour. Put the prepared dish in the refrigerator for more than 8 hours and it will taste better. This is what it looks like after 8 hours. There is no tasting segment in this video, because when I film the next video, I will taste this dish together. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!